Hey guys, today we are mastering the phrasal verb act up. This is super useful for daily life. To act up basically means to function poorly or behave badly. We use it in two main ways. First, for technology or machines, like when your phone glitches or freezes, it is acting up. Second, we use it for people, usually children, who are misbehaving or being dramatic for attention. It is a very natural way to say something isn't working right. I have a challenge for you. Post an example sentence using act up in the comments right now. And please support the channel, like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Here are 5 practical examples you can use. Example 1. Tech issues. I can't call an Uber. My phone is acting up again. Example 2. Health. I can't play soccer today because my knee is acting up. Example 3. Behavior. The kids were tired, so they started acting up in the supermarket. Example 4. Computer. Save your file quickly. His laptop has been acting up all morning. Example 5. Cars. We need a mechanic. The engine is acting up and making weird noises. Now, I want to see your English skills. Post an example you have created in the comments below. Did you enjoy the explanation? Support the channel, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss out on important English tips. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.